Hello friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and we're doing our crafts for the week of Monday, October 19th through Friday, October 23rd. So for this craft, we're going to need our beige strip of paper, our big black triangle piece of paper. We're going to need the green circle, the purple rectangles, 2 black rectangles that are small, 1 black rectangle that's a little bit larger, and a nice medium orange rectangle. And we're going to need 2 little green pieces. And we are going to make a little witch riding a broom. Once I find my other green piece, there we go. I will also need to get out my 2 googly eyes. You'll also want to have a glue stick and some markers. So here's my glue stick, here's my marker. We are ready to go. So we're going to start by doing the witch's face, and we're going to create some hair for her. I'm going to use my scissors, but you can also tear if you'd like instead of using scissors. But I'm going to create some wiggly cuts that don't go all the way to the top. They just kind of wiggle towards the top, but don't go all the way through. And this is a good way to practice cutting wiggly lines. And that's going to be one side of our witch's hair, and this will be the other side. If you notice when you're working with scissors, you can kind of hold your scissors still and move your paper back and forth as you're slowly pressing down on the scissors to make them cut. That's one of the ways that you can get these nice wiggly lines. We're going to take our glue stick and attach our hair on behind her face on either side. So we're going to do a little bit poking out this way and a little bit poking out this way. Now I know it looks like she's bald up top, and that's okay because we're going to add a hat. So for the hat, we need this big black strip. We're going to go ahead and glue her face down on the triangle first. And you can put it towards the middle or the bottom of the triangle, because you want some of the pointy part of the triangle up top here to show even when you put this big black rectangle on. That way it looks, ta-da, like a witch's hat. And we want it to look a little bit fancier, so we're going to go ahead and put this orange here to decorate the hat. It'll be like the buckle for the witch's hat. So we'll glue that down. Looking good, looking good. We can add the eyeballs now if we want, but I would like, I think, to go ahead and start attaching my witch to the broom. She is going, I think I'm going to flip this over and put a little strip of glue at the top here. And then put one of each of her arms up here as well. And put one hand, one little green witchy hand under each arm, peeking out. So she can hold on to that broom really well when she flies around. Perfect. And then since I've got the back of her head and body here, we can do a little bit of glue down at the bottom here too, and when we flip it over, it'll stick right on perfectly. there we go. Now, this is the general structure of the craft, but now we need to decorate to make it look more like a witch on a broom instead of just like a bunch of shapes glued together. So I'm going to put my eyeballs on. Some of you might have self-adhesive googly eyes that have backings that you can peel off. I'm trying to see if mine are like that or not. I think they are. Yep, so I'm peeling the backing off of mine, so I'm not going to need to be using my glue stick anymore. But some of you may need to use your glue stick to get your eyeballs to work, because all of our googly eyes, the self-adhesive ones with the sticky backings and the ones that don't have sticky backing, are all in one big giant tote all together, and it's very difficult to try to sort them out. Okay, so we've got the witch's eyeballs on here. She's looking good. And now we can just embellish. I'm going to give her a little nose and a smile. And we can add some wavy bits down here for the broom so that you know that the broom is sweeping through. You can also, if you want, use your scissors on this part too to make the broom even more fringy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. I drew some lines on, and I'm also going to do some straight cuts this time, just up to the top of my lines. And there we go. We have our little witch flying on a broom. Thank you guys so much for crafting with me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye!